At Nu Skin, we pride ourselves in developing the very best skincare and beauty products imaginable. Products that are safe, effective, and of the highest quality. We do this through our rigorous development approach, which we call our 6S quality process. Here is how it works. The first step is selection. We search all over the world for materials that meet our criteria for effectiveness, suitability for formulation, and safety. For age-lock transformation, we selected, for example, the ingredient hyaluronic acid for its capacity to hold moisture to the skin. We also selected Equal because it increases cell turnover, helping to promote a more youthful appearance. Every ingredient in every Nu Skin product is selected with the same level of care. That's our commitment to you.
With sourcing, we select a raw material, and then our scientists investigate potential sources that can guarantee availability, quality, and concentration of key ingredient components. For glacial marine mud, we source the key ingredient, glacial mud, from a protected remote glacial estuary in British Columbia. Because the ocean tides and mountain springs continuously replenish and enrich it with an array of beneficial nutrients, there's no doubt we'll go to great lengths to ensure our products contain only the highest quality ingredients.
Did you know that every batch of 180 face wash is tested against exacting standards of color, aroma, and even viscosity? Our third S is specification, and for our products to meet our standards, we set specifications for acceptable active ingredients, appearance, purity, color, aroma, and more. Then we make sure that each product meets our criteria before we approve any batch for release. This is how we ensure that you always receive products you can depend on.
With standardization, our engineering scientists design and create devices that follow the most stringent manufacturing practices, like our ageLOC Me device. With ageLOC Me, we created a device that could combine our 3 serums through our revolutionary microlayering technology, creating an optimized, customized, and standardized serum combination just for you.
Now let's talk about safety. You wouldn't stand for unsafe contaminants in your food because you know they're unsafe to consume. So why would we allow this in our products? We adhere to high product safety standards to ensure our products don't contain contaminants or cause irritation or reactions. We make sure every product is safe for you and your family to use every time.
Our products are amazing. The substantiation we do for each product confirms that. For ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra, our firming specialist, we performed a 12-week study and found the product had a positive impact on the skin's contoured appearance, helping to increase skin definition. Anytime you use Nu Skin products, you can be sure you'll receive the intended results. After all, each product is scientifically proven to work.
And there you have it, our 6S quality process. It's the key to our consistent quality as we innovate and develop products that help people like you discover the best you.